around want to do mountain bike trails, short loop. Coming up on the right is a little mountain bike trail. Fastest way is this road. What about you, Nora? Do you want to do the little mountain bike path? I didn't hear you. What? It's just in this little, it's only 0.7 miles. Goes over on the right, goes north, and then it comes back. It's coming up probably right about these rocks. Oh, we just missed it. Yeah, that was it right there, guys. That was the trail. Okay, it's right there. It's called Woodpecker Trail. Right there. You want to do it, or do you want me to go first? We got Nora first. Whee! Oh, this is neat, Soren. It's next to where the water comes in. It's got all these reeds. These are the reeds that you can make those whistles out of. You pinch off those reeds, so it makes like a flute. Nora, it's like a flute.
We know. We were talking about it yesterday on our walk.
So somehow you kind of snap it, and depending on where you've snapped it, it makes it so it's like a flute. And then you just blow over the top like you would blow over, you know, like a soda pop bottle. Is it working? Well, so see that reed, how it's got those little white notches along the way? Those little white notches are places where it's plugged up, I think. And so the flute depth is how far away you are from one of those white notches, I think.
So what do?
You blow over the top. Have you ever blown over the top of like a soda pop bottle to make it be like a flute? Okay. Yeah, well, experiment. I can't remember how hard he blow. Yeah, maybe just focus on doing the trail. Maybe it's too far away. There are a lot of trails here. Yeah, I hope it did it. Yeah. There's other trails like this that are even closer to the town.
I know, but like, it doesn't matter where it was.
Yeah, this would be a good little practice loop. Very easy. I have no idea if they have equivalent of NICA for their high schools. Maybe they all do enduro. Oh, bridge, whee! Bridge! I do like these trails where they have the pine needles, how soft it is. The sound it makes under the tires. You can hear the pine needles kind of crunch. This is pretty. Should probably take a photo of you guys. Fun on the Woodpecker Trail. I think we go left.
Because
there's
do you go blow into it like this?
No.
Or like this? You just do one piece of it. Oh! Oh, that makes so much more sense.
Doing great, buddy.